Hey everyone, we just checked into the Sheraton on Canal Street in New Orleans, and I want to give you a look around. We are on the 43rd floor in an executive suite with a king bed. This is the living room. Got a great flat screen here. There's a really nice bar area with fridge here. Look at the view is unbelievable. Wait until you see it. And when we come in here on this side, we have the king size bed, a really nice chair. There's a great, really bright bathroom, which is always nice. Perfect walk-in shower. Some great body wash products. Like I said, we are at the Sheraton on Canal. And this is the 43rd floor. There's another flat screen on this side, so you don't have to skip. There's tons of storage here. And wait until you see this view. Hello, Mississippi River. Looking right down on Canal Street. Sadly, there's no streetcars right now. There's palm trees, though. And the steamboat Natchez just went by. And it's just a fantastic view of New Orleans. So make sure to check out Tammy Lee Tips and Gulf Coast Journeys for a ton more information on New Orleans. Great food, all the fun things to do, and everything you need to know to plan a trip.